2008 Mini 1. This is the 1.4, so it's a bit cheaper to insure and run and tax and so forth. This is 67,000 miles. This is a category N, which is non-structural from the insurance company. It's got a handful of extras, including a pan roof, which is nice, and it's an automatic, which is good. It's also got a bit of service history from BMW as well. So let's go around the front first of all. Let's open the bonnet first. Right, as you can see, there is no damage to the top end of this at all. And down that side as well. All the headlight tabs are good, those in court there. Let's close the bonnet quickly. You can see it all lines up perfectly and there's no damage on the bonnet. But it's bumped right down the bottom here, and it's cracked this part of the bumper here, which should be up there. Hasn't damaged that lower trim. It's got a small crack in it there as well. Even this isn't damaged, the grille. So what's going to happen is I'd normally replace these and paint them, but I think when that's back together and it was bonded from behind or plastic welded, all you'll see is a very small crack there, and I'll just put it back together. So won't have any paint really, so just a tiny touch up there I'll do after it's been welded, and you won't really see that. The rest of the car is nice and tidy. This side is good, no damage. Alloy wheels. Tyres seem okay. There's your panoramic roof, which is nice. It's a nice extra that. It's got rear privacy glass as well. On the inside, looks pretty tidy and clean. Look in the back. It's all decent. Needs a bit of a hoover. And it's got pedal shift as well, which is good. Air conditioning, electric windows, electric mirrors, basics like that. So this side is nice and sharp and clean. Decent lines on it. And it's got parking sensors down the bottom as well, which is good. Good look in the boot. Nice and tidy there. Needs a bit of a hoover. It's missing its parcel shelf as well, so I'll have to grab one of those. Be sourced from eBay, like most bits. And this side is nice and tidy as well. There's no damage on this. This is a nice clean car, to be fair. And that tyre is a little bit scrubbed, so I'll probably get another one for that. It's a little bit low, but it's probably legal, but let's get another one. So, let's have a look. Category N, non-structural, really insignificant kind of bump that. It's only gone through the insurance company because replacing bumpers are expensive. You've got to, most of your money is putting that on, £120 an hour. Painting it, blending it and stuff like that, I'm not going to do anything like that. I'm just going to click it back together and do a tiny repair just there. All this is just popped out. In short, this will all click back into this there, and you won't even notice it. All these lozenges or lugs rather, lozenges, are all intact, and they will really just click back on, which is pretty good. So I guess in these retail for £4,000 to £5,000. It's a 58 with 67,000 miles. I think a decent price for this when that's back together, £3,500, and it will make someone a very decent car for a decent saving just because of bits like that.